Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to access Duolingo Shop. So, first of all, navigate to the Duolingo application. You can launch the Duolingo application on your smartphone or visit the Duolingo website on your computer. Now, log into your account to access your progress and rewards. After this, navigate to the shop. After opening the mobile app, you'll have to click on this gems icon at the top of the screen. As you can see, I have 500 gems. I'll have to click on this gem and it will take me to this page, that is the shop page. Here I can buy a family plan, see my special offers, claim chests, then I can navigate to the gem section where I can easily buy gems with real money. I'll have to just choose it, browse an item, then complete the payment. After that I will have that item. I can choose whether I want to have unlimited hearts here, unlimited heart refills and promo codes. So you can browse items, make a purchase, use your purchases by navigating to the shop option. So the simple way is navigating to the app or website, clicking on the gems icon and it will instantly take you to your Duolingo shop. So that's how you access Duolingo shop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.